The high-performance case packer, engineered for precision and speed. Delkor's next level of high-speed case packing. Relentless output, compact design, proven innovation. Reaching speeds up to 600 products per minute, the high-performance case packer is built to deliver maximum throughput without compromising control. At the core of the system, Delkor's patented product stabilizers. This technology guarantees consistent product control at high speeds. As product enters the case packer, the stabilizer brings it to a smooth stop in position, as rods extend to hold the product in place. The stabilizing rods maintain controlled and aligned pack patterns and eliminate issues such as shingling, tipping, or jams that can occur at high speeds. And a multi-axis telescoping servo laner delivers precise, accurately aligned pack patterns and seamless product collation. Stable, accurate, reliable. The high-performance case packer can be configured for any pack pattern and runs a broad range of case types, including RSC, FSC, club trays, tray shrink, shrink wrap, and RRP. The high-performance case packer is built for demanding applications where performance matters most. Visit delkorsystems.com to learn more. Delkor, smarter packaging starts here.